Alright, well, we're going to put this together. So, I know technically this isn't going to be completed because I haven't decided what I'm doing with these ends that I had to cut off to get them out. But, I mean, for real, if you need to see me weld a nut on that or something, then, you know, let me know and I'll make a video for you if that's really what you need to see. So, we'll see if I got this cut off the right length. I think we'll start with that. So, changing carriage bolt up. Oh yeah, I forgot I gotta get the bolt for that yet, so that'll be one more thing that I don't have completed yet. I'll have to go look and see what I got for that. For now, I'll put it together with this, and because the bolt that holds it on center broke when I was taking it apart. I had to weld it to get it out, and so I'll have to get one. I went down to Ace, but they didn't have, because it's a specialty, it's got a shoulder on it. So now the moment of truth with the, oh yeah, not a problem at all. Get the little C-clip. This does not quite want to get it there. There we go. And like I said, I haven't made the other jaw yet. I gotta get replacement screws for it, but we have a nice Yamaha blue Scout 4.5-inch vise that I got out of the scrapyard for 30 cents a pound because it was rusty and somebody threw it away.